Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Like you saw in the beginning, today's video is going to be a day in a life plus a try on haul featuring Express. I am really excited to share my day with you guys. I got a lot accomplished in the house, starting off with washing the dishes. If you guys are wondering, I made a really small dinner and now I'm kind of cleaning everything. I do try my best to do a pretty detailed clean when it comes to my pots and pans and dishes and stuff. That way they last a little bit longer. I'm going to be using some tools throughout the video to wash said pots and pans. I'll be leaving them linked down below if you guys are interested. So the pot that I am currently washing is from All-Clad. It is the copper core. Now I allowed someone to use this pot and some stains was on the actual core, the copper part of it. And what I am using is actually found in the mechanic section of any store. It is a wire brush. I'm gonna tell you guys that I'm using the brush, but at the same time I'm gonna say if you buy it, use it with some caution. You wanna kind of angle it on the pot and not use it directly on there, just because if you use directly it will scratch the surface. But I try to use it more at an angle on the side, and then at the bottom I'll use it upright, that way it can clean. But now that I'm done with the dishes, what I'm going to be doing is moving on to the fridge. I need to go grocery shopping tomorrow, so what I'm going to do is get everything out of the fridge, clean it all the way, check what's expired, what's not expired, what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping, what the kids opened and left in the refrigerator. That way when I go shopping tomorrow, I know that everything is going to be 100% clean in the space. I am using just a Myers, like a lemon scent. I'll leave it down below if you guys are interested. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I do have my friend that's helping me, so I'm taking everything out and I'm passing it to her. She's washing and rinsing everything and I'm putting it back. It is great to have help. So thank you, girl. Alright you guys, here's my fridge before. I'm going shopping tomorrow, but I'm not going to do like some huge major shopping just because I am going to be going out of town. My birthday's coming up. By the time this video comes out, I will be back and I'll show you guys what my refrigerator looks like once I'm home. But I don't want to do like the grapes, the orange and stuff and everything goes bad while I'm, oh, you know what, I'm only going to be gone for 2 days. I'm going to go ahead and just do the whole shopping situation. Let me move back a little bit. You guys can see everything. I'm so happy that I changed my fridge out from when I first came into the house. If you guys remember, this whole side had the freezer with ice, and then it wasn't even enough space. So I'm happy that I changed it out, but this is a before. Now that I am done, I am going in with the stainless steel spray, and I'm going to be wiping down the surface of the refrigerator. Again, the kids touch this all the time. If I had my option, I will probably get another refrigerator. I do like this stainless steel cleaner. It's from a company called Living Goods. I don't know if you have it in your area. If you do, Google it. That way you can try to find it, because I like it a whole lot better than the other product that I was using in the past. It does an amazing job. It leaves everything really, really nice. And even after a few days, I can just wipe it and not put any product on there. Again, it's from a company called Living Goods. I tried to find it for you guys before, but you actually have to go into the facility to purchase the spray. I cannot get it, and there wasn't a link online for it. So definitely Google the information to see if you can find it. But now that I'm done, I'm gonna do a little competition with my son where we're gonna see who can drink the water the fastest. Spoiler alert, I won. Hold on. She's got to do it.
Set a stopwatch.
Okay. You gotta say go, right?
Alright. Five seconds, 6 seconds.
No. No, you don't win. I'm dry. He's wet. That's not fair. I'm dry. No, I don't want to go again. I'm not thirsty anymore. I won. I'm dry, right?
Yes.
I'm dry.
She drank more.
I'm dry.
What was her time?
No, you guys, listen. We just did something where we had to do a race. Who drinks this water? I won. Number one, my clothes is dry, my mouth is dry, everything is dry. This shot is wet.
A little bit of water.
I won. All right, you guys, we're gonna start the try on part. So this jacket probably looks really, really familiar. In the last express haul that I had, I tried on the white one. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to do this whole like lifestyle situation where I post pictures and I get dressed and stuff, and I take like really nice pictures. I shared some before. Is that the same color? So the last blazer that I got it in a size 4, and I thought it would be a really good idea to get this in a size 6. And oh, you guys. First of all, the blazer is absolutely amazing. I like it in a size 4 and I like it in the 6. I normally like my blazers to be like super fitted, but I noticed with the white one, it did not button up, and at least this one allows me to button it up, even though I'm not gonna button it up at all. This is like super cute. Oh, you know what? It's not bad. You are wet. You definitely lost.
Okay. I understand.
You understand now?
You don't have
half
to
of the
rub
bottle's
it.
on your shirt. Oh, I like the size 8, you guys.
If you don't, look, I can try it on.
Boy, bye.
It wasn't one.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay, I just bought. Okay. So you guys, I really like this a lot. It's like super cute. This is an 8. It's not bad. It's not bad. I like the 8, you guys. I like the 8. You guys, this dress, thank you. This dress right now is very much on trend. Again, this is from Express, and it's so cute and it feels really good. I'm gonna step back. I like it. Oh gosh, you guys. I like, oh, hold on. You guast, if you don't get anything, you should definitely the blazer and the dress. It feels so good. I like it. I like it a lot. And you know, I was on the fence about it, but if you guys saw my other try on haul video, I had on that, it's like a fuchsia red dress and it has the split. I got that one. I was like, I don't know. I'm trying to step on my little box, honey. I'm sure step on my little box. And I'm like, it actually was really cute. So now that I see these dresses, I'm like, it has the whole nightgown situation. So that's why I was on the fence about it. about wearing it out because I have nightgowns very similar to this, but this feels really good. It feels a lot thicker than just a nightgown. So I do love this. I think every girl should have one in their closet. I love this. Maybe I'll put this on with my living room reveal. It's cute. I like it a lot. You know, I got the grandma something up with a cardigan. You know I'm good for look. Sit down. See that I done took this thing from like sexy to straight up like somebody's mama. But see, I would do this. Like, let me do this. Like, this is cute. The cardigan is also from Express, you guys. Again, I will be leaving everything linked down below. Girl, you so good. You already putting it on the hanger?
Yes, ma'am.
I appreciate you. All right, you guys, this is the next one. I have these boots on. This is super cute. I really like this dress. It's super comfortable. I think this is a small. Yeah, this is a size small. I'm not surprised, but I really like this. I like this a lot. All right, you guys, here is the other dress. I really like this dress. It reminds me of Victoria Beckham's line where she was doing all of the color blocking. She had like orange and pink, black and white. I think the most famous one was the black and white because it came down black in the middle. I think it had the white on the side, which made you look real skinchy, you know? So I really do like this. Yeah, it's cute, right? My feet is ashy, y'all. Listen, right when I get done with this, I gotta go to work. I'm working now. I gotta go to work. You see, I really like this. Like this is, and I can wear some leather pants, the boots. I like this. Yeah, this is. And then if I wear like leather pants, I can tuck it in. Right now it probably looks a hot mess. Don't worry about it. When I style it, it's gonna look good. But if I do like a high-waisted leather pant, which I do have, and tuck it in and just wear it like this. I pulled the camera down, you guys, so you could actually see this tank right here. This is my bra. This is actually the strap for the tank. I did get it in a medium because I wanted it to fall just like this. I really like this overall. Like, this feels really good. Feels really classy. Like, I do like this. And again, if I wore like something high-waisted, oh, get my black Louis belt.
All right.
She's gonna get my belt, you guys. Hold on, I have to put a belt on so you guys can get the whole vibe.
Gucci or?
I think I'm gonna do the Louis belt because it's super slim. You see, like, I like this, you guys. And let me just tell you, the blazer does have pockets, so I can put the flap, which I like the flap in instead of out personally for me. So you could just have it like this and super discreet. But I like this. I like this a lot. So I have it in different colors, and this would look really good with the black also, just to kind of give you guys just a nice little pairing. See that? Looks really cute either way it goes. So that's pretty much it for the try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, all right, you guys, I just sprayed the product. I'm going to show you guys this. I've actually used it before on my channel, so it's not new if you guys aren't new. But I had a lot of bugs. Even if you guys can really see it. Let me try to zoom in real quick. That way you guys can actually see it. Because this is new construction and it used to be like a lot of woods back here, there's a lot of bugs. You know, a lot of bugs. And I have a company coming out tomorrow to install cameras. So I wanted to kind of clean everything and get all of this situated in my front of my window. I'll show you guys that. So I just sprayed the product on there. Showing you guys a quick little before of the mess. I wanted to do it before it got dark. I totally have forgotten. Let me go here. And so just to kind of show you guys, just kind of sprayed here. This right here is what I'm using. I know we're coming into fall, but I want the front door to be clean. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any sort of pumpkins or anything, but I'm probably going to do like some fall color pots and also like some different little fall things. If I do fix the front of the house, I'll show you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and fix that. looks so good. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And see, let me show you guys the window, because that looks really good. Look at that. Thanks to my friend for coming over and helping me. It's a process. I gotta keep the inside looking good, and I gotta keep the curb appeal looking good too. I'm not gonna be doing anything with the grass, like foliage or anything like that, but I think next year I'll do something. But you guys, it looks so good. Hold on. Look at that. It looks so good. Looks like somebody that loves where they live. Right? When you drive by, it says this person loves their home. It's clean, ain't no bugs. Oh, I love it. It looks really good. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I was supposed to clean the stove, but my arm hurt. Holding that pressure washer ain't none fun, okay? I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go wash my hair and shower and get in my nice comfy bed. And then if I'm feeling any better, then I'm probably gonna try to edit something, but just expect another cleaning video. I don't know if it's gonna be back to back, but I know I'm gonna have to finish doing this tomorrow because I have to pressure wash the back of the house. I think I'm gonna end up hiring a company next summer to do the whole entire house. I think the guy had charged me like $108 for the whole house, but the front was just like crazy. I think the bugs have not figured out that there's a house here now. There's not any more woods, and they're still coming. So it was just real bad. And then I have to repaint the front door, but I don't want to paint the front door until all the furniture comes in, and I know like 100% big things aren't coming to the door anymore, because when they were moving the fridge, they scratched the front door, which is, I'm not upset about it or anything like that. I just know that while I'm getting furniture and things coming in, I would like to not have to double back and do the work over again. So I'm gonna wait when the big pieces are kind of in the house, and then I'm gonna paint. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. This video probably is gonna be all over the place just cause I didn't really wake up today with an actual plan. Today's my day off. I just knew that I had to get certain things done, and the front door was like super imperative for me to get done. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna leave the pressure washer, the cleaning product, and if I figure something else out in the video that I need to leave, everything will be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy your day. If you're wondering about the refrigerator units that's in there, they came from Container Store. I'll leave that video in the description box also, so if you're interested in organizing your fridge, you can. Tomorrow is probably gonna be like grocery day, something. I'm going out of town, and I'm just trying to get stuff, again, as situated as possible. Oh my God, this is bothering me. Yes. Yeah. All right, you guys. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna go take a shower. I smell like bleach.